Hello, friends. Welcome to Pooja's 5-minute talks about the education to adults in your country. Does illiteracy become a barrier in the progress of an individual and also affect the economy of a country? There is no doubt about the fact that education is the third eye of man. Unlucky are those who do not get education. Adult education means educating those people who could not get education when they were children. Adult education is quite necessary for the development of a country. Adult uneducated people create and face a lot of problems. They cannot understand their rights and duties. They are the stumbling blocks even in the progress of their children. In countries like India, such serious problems, that is, population explosion, poverty, illiteracy, child labor, and disease, are due to adult illiteracy. Our government is doing a lot to provide education to the illiterate adults. Special schools are opened for them, but the results are not so encouraging. Only small funds are allocated for this purpose. Vigorous campaign is not made to reach the masses and make them aware of this problem. It is a well-known fact that government implementation is not so effective. Much paperwork is done. According to me, Social Welfare Association and NGOs should be requested to play an effective role in this field. The government should evaluate this project at the end of every financial year. Classes should be held at such a time that it does not interfere in the work hour of these adults. There are different types of these illiterates. Poverty is the main cause of the problem. Second category is of those people who were dropouts in their school days. Thirdly, most of the girls, women, who belong to orthodox families. Most of the illiterates belong to the rural areas. Some people want to get education because they suffer from many problems like inferiority complex and practical problems. Some people wish to improve their qualifications to get their better jobs. Some adults want to interact with the rest of the world with confidence. Yes, of course, adult education programs should not fully depend on government funding. The non-government organizations should come forward and provide not only financial help but teaching facilities also. Those who are educated should voluntarily teach adults. No doubt, compulsory education up to 10th class can solve this problem, but only up to certain extent. The major problem is the problem of dropouts. Something must be done to attract the children towards school. Good education can be costly, so the people of rural regions and the lower middle class cannot afford higher studies. Last but not the least, those who are educated and can afford to adopt at least one adult from rural areas must give them the education of higher studies. Thank you. Do not forget to press the like button, share my video, and subscribe. Let me know for more topics according to you.